Typically, colleges and universities offer multiple deadlines for applying. You may have heard of terms like early action, early decision, regular decision, and rolling admissions.
Early decision is a contractual agreement, so it's a contract that you as a student, the parent, and the guidance counselor all sign that if I apply to a school through early decision and I am admitted, then I must enroll in that institution and withdraw all of my applications to every other school that I've applied to. Only apply early decision if you know that that is your number one dream school, like you would live, breathe, and die to go to that school. That is when you apply early decision.
On the other hand, there's early action, which, similar to early decision, allows you to receive your admissions decision early. This admissions process is not binding. So what that means is that you can get your decision early on within the application process, but you still have your choice of whatever school works best for you.
Both early action and early decision require you to apply earlier, usually by November 1st or 15th.
The only reason or way that you could not attend that school without penalty is if your financial aid package is not economically feasible for you and your family. So if financial aid does become a problem or maybe a barrier, then you can withdraw your early decision acceptance.
Again, if you don't want that early decision commitment, not a big deal. Early action is still a way for you to show that interest early on in an institution without having that same commitment.
Regular decision applications are generally due in January or February, and students typically hear back about their decision in March.
So your rolling admission, that is going to be where a college or university is just constantly reviewing applications throughout the cycle and sending out decisions as they go.
Most rolling admission schools will continue to review applications into the spring semester, even into the summer months. So if you have any last minute life changes, if anything changes with your other college decisions, those rolling admission schools are always there for you to fill out that application.